My dear students, peace be upon you. Today we are going to take Unit 6 and we will take some exercises about what we had taken before. Now we have some questions to answer. The first one here is choose, and the first sentence: his strong character and decisiveness make him a good space leader, assistant, feedback, friendship. So what makes a good character, a good leader, is good character and strong character and decisiveness. So the answer is leader. Number 2, he was a kind gentleman who space his servants well, ignored, upset, treated, fired. This man was a gentleman who treated his servants well, treated. Eating too much food makes me feel space, generous, sick, well, unfriendly. So eating too much food makes me feel sick. Polite people always speak in a low space. Reunion, tune, gift, regret. So to be polite, you should speak in a low tune. Letter B. I was space when my job application was refused. Mean, logic, disappointed, foggy. So I was disappointed when my job application was refused. Pay space to every word your teacher says. To pay attention, intention, donation, relationship. So you must pay attention. If my father set off late, he space after sunset. Arrives, will arrive, would arrive, would have arrived. This is the second conditional. How did we know? Here my father set off. If it were the first conditional, it would be if my father sets. So the answer here is would arrive. The sea will be more polluted. Space, we stop damming oil and rubbish into it. As well as if, so that, unless. And the answer is unless. That it equals if not. So if we don't stop. Manal space all her exams if she works hard. Passes, will pass, won't pass, would pass. Surely Manal will pass all her exams if she works hard. What space if you had lost your phone yesterday? Will you do? Would you do? Would you be done? Would you have done? And this is the third conditional. And the answer is would you have done? Let's move to another question here, which is translation, and now we want to translate from English into Arabic. Okay, let's read it together. Criticism is part of learning and growth. It means that you are taking initiatives to learn something new and grow over from your current state. If you are not getting criticized, it means you are not taking enough risk to learn something new and to grow. Okay, so think of the best translation to this part, and here is our translation. إن النقد هو جزء من التعلم والتقدم، وهذا يعني أنك تقوم بمبادرات لتعلم أو لتتعلم شيء جديد وترتقي من وضعك الحالي. فلو لم تنتقد فهذا يعني أنك لا تخاطر بدرجة كافية لتتعلم شيء جديد وتزدهر. Okay. Translate into English. Okay, now we have an Arabic translation, and you want to shift it into English. إن الندم شعور مؤلم يجعلنا نعاني لوقت ليس بالقصير، والندم لا يفيد، وعدم محاولة التخلص منه يجعلنا سجناء له، وقد يقودنا إلى الفشل والتعاسة. Now, let's see our translation. Regret is a painful feeling that makes us suffer for some time that is not short. It doesn't benefit, and trying not to get rid of it makes us its prisoners and may lead us to failure and miserableness. Okay, so this is our translation, and this is the end of our video today. Thanks and goodbye.